Hey Jamie, this is Clay Rivenbark with Tameron Honda. I wanted to send you a quick video. Thank you so much for your inquiry on this 2014 Honda CR-V. I've got that vehicle right here behind me. Wanted to shoot you a video of it, kind of show you what it looks like and go over a couple details with you. So if you follow me, you notice he's in the Mountain Air, metallic, one of the most popular colors. They don't make it anymore in a CR-V, so it's very unique. You can have your lower level fog lights as well as your alloy wheels. Now this vehicle is an EXL, so it's going to have tons of great things on the interior. Lots of storage space. Leather heated seats with a sunroof, dual zone climate control, and full Bluetooth. Now the best thing about this vehicle is the fact that it's 5 years old with 58,000 miles. So just over 12,000 miles a year, way less than an average, and it's in excellent shape. It will be certified from Honda, which is going to give you tons of warranty all the way up to 100,000 miles on the odometer. And back here in the back, do have the accessory privacy shade, all the floor mats, and these seats fold flat to give you a great surface for cargo and storage. So what I need you to do, Jamie, is give me a call. My number is 256-600-6525. I'm right here in Tameron, Tameron Honda and Hoover. And I can guarantee you one thing, Jamie. When you come to Tameron Honda and Hoover, you're going to love the way you're treated.